So here we have the knee cut. Now this is a little bit unorthodox of a movement for some people, but what we're actually doing is we're rotating our tibia, which is the shin bone, in an internal and external direction, while also flexing and extending the knee. So a lot of people will see my foot turning, and when they try to do it, they'll just move the ankle. But what I'm actually doing is moving the shin bone itself in an internal and external rotation. Now, if you can't do this movement properly, just try to focus on creating some rotation at the tibia. So don't focus on the foot, focus on the shin bone itself. And this movement is really good just to get some movement in the knee. And if you've ever had knee issues in the past, chances are you'll be missing this range of motion. So it's a great assessment as well as a tool to keep the knees healthy. What we're going to do is 4 rotations in each direction, and that is our knee